could have seen me online.
You always that.
Install complete. We'll just leave it just like that. Those are really nice though.
That Carbon V brand.
It's nice as fuck. Takeda install. We're doing the intake. It's gonna be really nice. You guys are gonna love it.
There you go.
Thanks. This is the box. We did it. Install complete. Was that the quickest install ever? Well,
You get pretty good at it.
well, like I said, once I'm bored with this intake, we'll do another one. Roger, this came out really nice. And the intake too. It looks great. They make a carbon fiber of that.
Real carbon. Same company.
It's nice.
Carbon V, baby.
I like the intake. I love how fucking big this Johnny is. This thing's cool as fuck.
$800.
What's 25 bucks get me?
$20 is $20.
I think it's gonna look good. I think it's gonna look nice when it's installed in the week. Huh? With what? Hey, we're going to Pecker's later?
You don't really have to wonder about that.
What's the instruction say?
Majority of the salt off. Now it's just like.
I don't know which one you need. Take them both. You never know.
Working on a Lexus in the back of the studio. Wish you could say that, huh?
We out here. Coming soon. The wind is definitely not your fucking favorite right now. I know, that's what I'm doing. I'm over here helping my boy out.
Helping with the camera out. But realistically, just take
Oh, it's fucking nice as fuck.
so much better.
Yeah, look how dark that looks. That looks so good. It's like all nice little smoked out. Church, what are you doing?
Try not to break my stuff.
You breaking your shit?
Not breaking it. I just don't want to.
I'm gonna go ahead and give you support here.
Jesus Christ, I can feel your balls. Jesus.
He said I can feel your balls.
That's what he said?
Yeah. This is why I hired you. Because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. What do you mean I don't pay you? I pay you off camera.
Hardware verified by Weight Inspector 03.
Nice.
No. Is it a clip? Is it clipped in? Yeah.
Church, what do you think?
How many intakes have you done so far?
2. Wow.
2.5.
Yeah, because we put back on the stock one time, so. You can find that video here. Screw, 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 screw. Screw, 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 screw. Skitty pop, pop, pop. So I see the lip is not on yet. It's only been an hour.
It got paused.
You can't pause it. It's live, Mom.
I'm not.
We're online. You can't pause the game.
Pause the video.
Unpause.
I'm nervous. I don't want to break the damn thing.
You're not gonna fucking break it. It looks fine.
What's that restaurant you always want to take me to?
The one with the breadsticks and the fucking...
Olive Garden.
No, shenanigans.
Huh.
Filter's nice. The box.
It's a wireless intake.
Yeah, it's a wireless intake. You're right. It's Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth intake. It's gonna go from here right down there. It's nice.
You do this all the time, dog? Fucking break.
I do it all the time. Just make sure you're loosening it, not tightening it.
Break.
I think what I normally do is, yeah, there you go. You got it. Just make sure the bolt don't fall into the fucking bullshit. Right, church?
Fall into the abyss. Don't fuck it up.
Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Oh my God! Don't fuck it up. It'll look fucking mean as fuck when it's done. I'm actually happy I went with polish. It was either black or polished. But I think I'm happy I went with this nice little pop. All right, install just about complete. Looks nice. Now we're gonna go inside and do the test. Hopefully the check engine light doesn't turn on. All right, let's turn this on. No check engine light yet, so that's good.
Why'd it go into eco mode when you did that?
It always goes in the ego mode. So, hold on. Let's go to like a strip or something. I'll show you something.
I don't have my wallet.
I don't have a wall either. We out here dirty as fuck.
I turn eco off. You can hear the difference.
Yeah, I can hear from inside. Sounds good as fuck.
Not bad, not bad. It's just a Lexus.
Just a Lexus.
Someone hit us.
Hey, you fucking smell it. It's a good thing I got gas.
Sport mode must not hold.
Hey, welcome. God damn. That thing's fucking dope.
That shit's in the Lexus.
That looks sick.
I fucking love it.
That looks fucking awesome. I like that stainless steel finish.
Yeah.
That
Yep.
looks fucking cool.
guys using drywall screws?
No.
Actually, my lift came with screws too. Stretch working on his own car is rare.
Does that... Am I fucked up?
Yeah.
You gotta lift the other end, dog. No, I know, but look at the other side. See how it's not lining up? The middle. Oh, maybe it's...
It's got screwed in.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck?
I don't know.
What, you think this works off Bluetooth? Group of fucking screws in their car.
Yeah. At least they're not drywall.
It's the same fucking thing. A screw's a screw, homie. I don't care if she's a dude. You excited? Is it all done? Oh, shit. Who is she? Looks very nice, buddy. One pothole, that shit's gone, though. You know? You like it? Why do you always look so concerned? It's either a yes or a no.
I like it.
Okay, good. Hey guys, Shadow Schroeder here, announcing my first ever giveaway on YouTube. I'm going to be giving away a RR Racing battery tie down, the one that I bought. This is a $65 item that you potentially can get for free. The rules of the contest are pretty simple. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment on this video down below for a chance to win, and hit up my Instagram at Shadow Schroeder as well. So RR Racing can come in either black or blue. It's fully customizable with the RR Racing logo or the F Sport logo. This is good for the Lexus IS 3rd gen. I believe it's good for 2014 all the way up to 2020. Again, if you want to enter this competition, comment down below, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and follow my Instagram. And I'll make a winning in 1 week. Bye. Batman, what would you say?
What?
If you were Batman, what would you say?
I'm Batman.